Super Smash Bros. Tournament in a house. This is Hotwire's house, a regional Smash Bros. Melee tournament taking place here in Vancouver, and it's happening in a house. So this is Hotwire. It's literally his house, and he's got like 9, 10 setups throughout this house somewhere, and like 30 people. I'll just walk right through here. Yeah, setups everywhere. Literally the kitchen table, the bedroom, full-on stream in the living room. And you got some of the best players in the entire province out here, which is pretty sick to see. Let's go check out the attic setup. The attic setup has a view. Oh no.
Yeah, I think that only hit you because of the try. That's me, Farmer 420. Like in a scenario. Oh yeah, that's so good. PBR. Woo, PBR.
I'm almost done though.
Yeah, I finished my first. So.
Yeah, I just finished my first as well.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
Amac shotgun corner. Melee with a view, bro. The man, the myth, the legend himself, Mr. Schmugs.
I wanted to though. Have you guys been?
Who was? If I just got grabbing.
No. I saw you going through it. Are you okay, Randomus?
No, I just have to tell. I have to tell the story.
Yeah, I feel a lot better after playing B.
Okay, good. Did you beat him?
No.
Was it close?
He's fun to play against.
He is fun to play against. He's a Falco, that's pretty fun to play against. I'd say so. I enjoy our sets. Alright, so we are at Hotwire's house, which is a house tournament, and in the backyard today they got barbecue. So this is the barbecue.
If only we had vegan burgers for you.
It's okay, I'm gonna go to the grocery store, but we're gonna get an interview with Ravax, the grill master here. That's a microphone there.
I'm the grill master.
Oh no, Walrus is the grill master. Sorry, Walrus. Walrus, my mistake
Ravax
here.
is my assistant here today.
All right, so tell me what's going on here as Mr. Grill Master.
As you can see, we got some beef burgers. We have actually one veggie burger that was brought from home.
Oh no, I got to bring more veggie burgers.
Yeah, once you get your own, we'll get you on here for sure. Some of them with cheese, some of them without, of course.
I love
so that
cheese.
People have their preference. Over here we have the assembly station.
Whoa.
I've started building mine.
Borgor.
We have a lot of topping options.
Borgor. We love
I
Borgor.
volunteered for this.
Whoa.
Weeks ago. I was
We
like,
love
"You want
volunteers.
help with grilling, I got you. And he
A
wanted-
lean, mean grilling
We're
machine.
here.
And a Sheik player at the same
And a
time.
Sheik player.
At the same time. At the same damn time. Okay, sick. Cool. Thank you. Thank you for grilling and volunteering and helping and supporting. Who are you cheering for in this match, Steez?
It's gotta be Big Rizmo.
Big Rizmo.
Big Rizmo. It's gotta be.
Yeah, honestly, I cheer for Big Rizmo as well here. Yeah.
What's your reasoning? I just like the guy.
I like the guy as well, and yeah, I think in Fox Puff, Fox should be able to do it, and if there's a Fox that can do it, this guy can.
The Rizmo, yeah.
The Rizmo.
Yeah.
Great, thank you.
have all 4 of your medallions?
No.
Somebody
I
else
got them
did?
for everyone.
Yeah.
So anyway.
Oh, really? Nice. Oh, yeah.
I still think my top is
So I feel like because like if you want to play
for somebody unacceptable.
Leaving? We're gonna do it. Take it easy, buddy. Thank you for the support. Appreciate you.
Something you're hosting soon.
Curry combo, September 1st. It's my last event. No. I will. Shun, how are you doing?
Good.
Yay.
I looked a heck of a lot of
Oh my god. Just what's Anna killing?
It's just gonna be fun.
What is this? 26. What is this game? the thing is like this determines whether we get a waltz video, right? If Icy wins, then waltz like waltz is happening. Oh my god! Wait, almost out, but I think that will be it.
It's double.
2 years after the wall went.
It's the double mental. Where's Fohi?
Oh, look at his ass!
And every other PR, Kevin Falcon plays second place against me.
Okay, yeah.
Dude, that actually, I got smoked this tournament. I went 0-2, and I didn't get to play against Jigglypuff on Final Destination.
All right, we're pretty deep into Hotwire's house. I'm pretty far gone, and so are most people here. Let's see where things are at.
And I feel like I could survive on that stage. Yo.
Where are we at in bracket?
We're at loser semis.
Loser semis. We got Foxitos. Old Gen. Old guard.
I watched which one?
We got a keg of beer. We got a keg of
Kevin,
beer. Yo.
at me on Discord if you guys start crew battles.
Okay, so sounds good. Have fun.
It's gonna happen after Grand.
Yeah.
Real question.
If you want to go make, if you guys want to go make teams so we can start rapping Grand.
I have like a 9 p.m. out time, so
You gotta hit captains. How do you want to do it?
I'll captain and Jack will captain.
Captains, right? Like,
If they want to play, we'll see who wants to play.
okay, yeah.
Ooh.
He hasn't got in there.
Bro, they're moving. Oh my god.
I respect it.
Yeah, they played
It was evil black warlock match. Hey, I got what am I trying to say? Like 2020.
On board.
You can't do it together right there.
This is a mountainous climb.
I love this.
Ripping up faster.
Yeah, if you can't hit hit anything, you know they'll pass or they'll be scared to them.
Oh, nice.
You want to go grab.
You want to drill grab, shine grab. Oh, that's it.
That's it, right?
Kills on every other stage.
That was it.
Okay, the baggers on kill.
50%.
That's another one. That's another one. It's slow. It's not. If it was easy work, everybody would do it. It's there. Oh!
Nope.
I might not do it, but it's really
Another game 5. This has been the top 8 of game 5. Where is Blue Pinata?
Blue Pinata! Here he
That's
is.
George from the basement.
He's ready.
find him. He's off.
Oh, he's there.
Very obvious.
I got it.
Alright. Losers finals. We got randomness in the setup. Is he going to be able to reset this scoreboard? Is he going to be walking? He resets the 0 name tags. Or reset 2. I do get the zeros look like 1s. That's kind of crazy.
The hand stretch.
Gotta take that break in between games.
Yeah, no, that's the hand pain though. Oh, that's tough, bro. His hands are already. I know that feeling. He's moving so fast, so I get it, bro.
Just take this time. Take a second. Oh, get her out of here.
Big. Oh, what the helly?
Okay, he goes for that.
Yeah, that move hurts.
Oh, awesome. Doesn't matter. You're good.
Oh god.
Oh, I love that though. He would have jumped into it.
That up B saved him?
Yeah, barely. Oh! Sopa's nothing, right?
Sopa's not. Yeah.
This is just.
His hands.
I know, yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
Take a minute.
Stretch him out, stretch him out, bro. Stretch him out, bro. Stretch him out, bro.
Oh my god! Need that bitch! You might Congrats to Elliot. Peter, grand finals. We won the cake.
Do the dance.
Do the dance. Do the
Are we winners interview?
Alright, crew battle, draft crews. Draft crews.
We gotta do our winners interview.
Winners interview.
Yeah, winners interview.
Oh, nice scenario. Yeah, great like that. Some are saying Kevin here is dope. Oh, nice chance by Kevin, but it doesn't matter. So gets there. Oh! Kevin Deere. Maison de Fichot. Ici, on est à Maison de Fichot. Mais si tu connais le ballon, tu peux le croire. Ok. Oh, one back air. Oh, quel connard. Elle était en feu. Oh! Quel bon repos par Monsieur Kevin Deere. Duba! Oh, Duba! Nice rest. No, this ain't Chungulation. Oui, les jungles de l'Asie européenne. Duma, the weapon. I guess I can speak English. Hiya. No side la. Very bad, very naughty. Good la.
やってまいりましたね、ホットワイヤーズハウス。あら、こやつ？すごい！すごい！よかった！ Wow, look at that, guys. Multilingual comms. In Big 26. He runs. Fox has such a run. People don't talk about Fox's run enough. His run speed is crazy. And just the Fox running at you full speed across the stage is so intimidating. Because he can do anything. He can shine, he can wave dash, he can up smash, he can grab.
I play Falco and I think, let me put out a move and then all of a sudden I'm double shot on most days.
Exactly. It's like, oh, JK lol, I don't have anything to respond to that. I try and back here and then I get upstairs.
And the thing about this matchup is there's like this is the hard counter pick. Falco's Yoshi's is good, but you can also get blown up.
So he gets a head on.
Mashes.
Should be
That's a stock.
He ends up
Oh. Okay, he gets it. Gets the F smash. I like with a deep breath, pulling himself in. He's like, hey, we got this locked up. Let's not let it slip away from us. You can't get it.
You gotta grab it before it's gone. You gotta make this count.
Oh my god. We were in a really similar position in the first set, right? Where George had a clean one-shot lead, and LH turned on the turbo mode. And it blocked up the set, and it might happen again. Up throw, up smash. That's a little custom, I like that. Mix up, definitely. Good jab. Oh, gets the grab. No, Nana's not in position. Really good ice block. Good for Bears, gets one. Now you're kind of looking. Finding your percent. Falco's gonna want to stay really center stage.
Get him, man. Fight back.
Good mash. Gets back on stage. Oh, laser up smash. Shades of Fox for Cloud.
I like that.
Big Gizmo has returned. The Emperor.
Go back.
But you're done. This is Hotwire's house. Okay, not Leffen's house. Let's show some decorum. I hate that that's like the most synonymous thing with my fucking tag now. It's just a shitty Irish accent.
Is that
Come on! I do think I miss him. I wish you were here, Barber. Oh! So up B. His faces are broken. Oh my god, there. Weapons out. Oh! So that was
You thought you'd get out of it.
That was a Beacon Blade side B. Shout out Beacon Blade. Okay, last stock. See if we can get a game 5. Oh. Get his ass. Oh my god, I like controlling the space. He's keeping him separated. Oh my god, he's making this a long distance couple. Oh, he gets the up B.
Oh, you gotta save her.
Oh, you might. That's it. Congrats to Elliot. Heater Grand Finals. 3-1, he takes it. I'm covered by the.
Man, I'm trying to do my winner's interview.
Holy shit.
Guards.
Yo.
Seize him. What you need? What you need? What you need from me?
What you need, man? What's next for you?
What's
Yeah.
Thank you, Gabo.
Thanks, guys. Yeah.